and communities. So presumably the people that Ms. Canal is director of don't include any adults. And of course, Ms. Wakefield is also director of communities plural. How many communities have we got out? So I'd say we've got one Barnet community. Now, the Admiral's Wharf is appointed, according to the paper reports, I think it's named, Director Place. Now, I wasn't aware that was even I was wondering whether she could be appointed Director Haddock or Director Cod and Chips. Because, frankly, it would be just as meaningful to the average Barnet resident. And as for Ms. Salter, who's appointed Director of Assurance, goodness knows what her role involves. Presumably involves coming up to councillors and going, there, councillor, don't worry about it. Mr. Mayor, can we please, if we're going back to a proper committee system, where hopefully the committees will have titles that tell the residents what they do, can we not look at this and appoint the chief officers of this council to have titles that tell us and the residents what they do?
Yeah. Councillor Richard Cornelius.
Once again, I find myself in agreement with my ward colleague. These titles would not be the titles that a normal person seeking to inform would choose. In fact, I remember being indignant about some of these titles when the late and great Sir Simon Milton proposed them. And so we can't blame the Labour Party for them. It's a Conservative product as well. Rather than have this referred back to officers to do, I think it's actually for us members to think of better names in the future, and I'm sure that under the committee system, future titles will be more user-friendly than these. I'm reluctant to change them because there are contract difficulties in so doing. However, I think this is something that members should take on board at various committee meetings and make sure nothing like this emerges again. I would also like to stress how much I welcome the officers who are taking up these jobs, and I look forward to them working well with the council. Thank you.
Mr. Mayor, we have an amendment in the name of Councillor Brian Coleman. Will all those in favour please show?
Never mind, Brian. It'll be 120,000 a year.
Note the appointment subject to that amendment. Is that agreed?